the soul of quality originating from ingenuity. Best strict with every process. Never miss any details. TC has remained consistent over the past 35 years. High-quality products comes from good raw materials. TC only purchase fiber from top brand manufacturers. Special optical fibers can be customized. TC optical fiber has the optimal loss and 100% tested qualified by OTDR. The optical cable sheath is made of high-quality, non-recycled materials. Strong environmental resistance. Coloring process. Color bare fiber. Routinely use 12 color to identify blue, orange, green, brown, gray, white, red, black, yellow, purple, pink, aqua. 100% optical performance testing to ensure optical loss is qualified. Loose tube process. Colored fiber is fed into the extruder under constant tension. At the same time, add grease and encapsulate it in a plastic loose tube. Continuous outer diameter monitoring during production. Good outer diameter uniformity with error controlled within 0.2 mm. The remaining length is stable and the error controlled within 2 mm every 10 meters. 100% inspection of semi-finished products after loose tube production to ensure that all optical fibers in the loose tube are attenuated. Layer twisting process. Twisting the layers of optical cables larger than 24F together. The twisting pitch is stable and the error is within 2 mm, which makes fiber performance more stable. Cabling process. This process is an important step of outdoor optical cable production. Structures with loose tube and steel wire/steel tape and outer sheath. During the production process, outer diameter is monitored, finished product inspection and printing inspection. The tensile strength is far exceeding the highest requirements of customers. The shrinkage rate of the finished product is less than 5%. The flame retardant grade of TC outdoor optical cable can meet the requirements of GB, YDIEC and other standards. TC can produce special optical cables according to customer needs, like fire-resistant and high-temperature resistant cable. Factory testing. 100% finished product appearance, size and attenuation inspection. Each reel of optical cable comes with a test report. TC products strictly control every stage in the production process, from raw materials to finished products, and every meter will be inspected. Strict quality control only for serve every customer wholeheartedly.